Mr. Proach. When Mr. Proach, that is I, the handsome man, not me, Mr. Proach, and his crews go fight fire in the middle of the woods or at the top of a mountain, the gear is not just sitting up there nicely waiting for them to arrive with a nice big bow on it. Half of the job is getting the gear to the fire. Trucks can only get so close. Helicopters are almost always busy bucketing the fire with water, so it is up to the actual firefighters, you, to pick up the gear and carry it themselves. Firefighters carry gear every day they are on the fire job, and it is an incredibly important aspect of the job. This keeps firefighters like me, very handsome ones, quite fit and trim, and it requires fit crews to physically work out and stay fit so that they are ready for firefighting every day. That is what you just accomplished. You are a strong, fit, good-looking firefighter just like me. Signing off, Mr. Proach. Well done. Ready? Gear carry, go.
I got my favorite thing to carry.
Morgan, you killed it on this. Well done. See how the kids call you Speedy Gonzalez? You sprinted up this hill, bro.
How did I do?
Jack, don't take us.
Okay, who's next? You guys finished?
Yeah, so they're running.
But you have no more material?
No.
For a fire?
No.
No, because it's going to have a point to be able to go through, right? So, we also have what's called the red zone and the green zone. The red zone is going to be where our fire is. So the fire is burning this way, and we're creating a fire break so it doesn't burn the fuels in our green zone.
We're mini
So-
firefighters.
Yeah, so you guys are going to have 3 jobs. Okay, so listening really carefully. 3 jobs. One group is going to be in charge of taking fuels from here, like bigger things like sticks, pine cones, sticks, taking it from our red zone into our green zone, and that's called fuel free, because we want it to be free of fuel that's going to burn. Another group is going to be in charge of making our fire break, which needs to be how much again?
1.5 feet.
1.5. Okay, has to be very straight. And then here, you're just penetrating the ground and getting rid of that fire, that hot spot. Okay? Okay, not bad. It's getting better. Remember, 1.5.
Mine doesn't work. I'm gonna have one of the bigger ones.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh yeah, I gave it to this one. You'll be next. So then, see how we get rid of fuel free?
I just cut myself.
Kind of sticks and stuff. Fuel free? A lot of sticks before it. Remember, on the ground, right?
Help here again by making it wet.
Eli, I relieve you.
Can I be a Kool-Aid? It's so heavy.
Have you been it yet?
No.
Do you know how to do it?
I'm not sure.
Yo,